Hi, this how-to is how to make a rubric to associate with a particular assignment to make grading easier. So I've created a simple assignment here called Annotate Chapter 6. I'm going to open it up. Earlier, I edited it to include writing an instruction, and I made it worth a couple of points. So what I would like to do now is show you how to do a rubric. Please note that I am not in the editing screen. The rubric making tool is outside of the editing screen, but as soon as you open the assignment, that little rubric tool is here. So I'm going to add a rubric. If you haven't made one already, you can create one right here. So this assignment asks students to write a complete sentence and make it in their own words. So those will be the attributes of this rubric. So one criterion will be that the written is complete sentences. And another one is that it's going to be in their own words. So I'm going to add a criterion here using that little plus criterion tool. And I'm going to call that criterion use your own words. Okay, and I'm going to edit that first criterion. Write complete sentences is what it's called, and the long description is each sentence should be complete with noun, verb, and period. All right, so then you decide how many points are going to be attributed to each of these. Let's make this part of the assignment worth 1 point, this one the other point, because it's a 2-point assignment. That's really all I can do. And then you edit your criteria. You get the whole point in the complete sentence thing if you have written complete sentences. So I'm going to say you get full marks. Nice job writing all your sentences completely. And 0 mark if you did not achieve that criterion. Unfortunately, any of your sentences are missing one or more of the following: noun, verb, and a period. I'm realizing that my choice of words here is subject. And I'm going to update that. I'm going to correct this one so that it's subject, verb, etc. Now, if you want some kind of intermediate criterion, you can add it here by clicking plus. I'm going to cancel that. And once you are done, the rubric is complete. I'm going to get my picture out of the way here so you can see these choices. If you've written other rubrics and you want to use the same outcomes as you've used before, you can select outcomes. You can opt to write free form comments or have them automatically produce the comments that you've pre-written here. In other words, you have several choices of how to do that. Okay, and now I'm going to change the title of my rubric from some rubric to reading annotation rubric. And I'm going to create my rubric. Okay, so now when I grade this assignment, it will select, it will offer this rubric in SpeedGrader to help me grade.